We're just fixing two bugs in this code. The first bug was that after we picked a file, the texture was not re-uploaded, so we didn't see the change right away. We had to swap shaders before we could see. The other bug is that when we pick another file, up, up, down, down, left, right, G, when we pick another file, we should see something different, right? And we weren't seeing that because we had a bug in our reentrant function. We need to reset the reentrant data after we're done with our reentrant function so that every single time we use that reentrant function, it executes the same every single time. So let's go into the code and look at what we got. Let's not run out of time here. So in the Filemob function section within our reentrant function, within the last step, we've added this uDirtyBitch section, which just increments the dirty flag. So we set the texture memory as dirty so that it will get uploaded the next time we do our update tick. In the Filemob task manager section, we have this new function, reset all. It's going to reset all of the task data. So we're going to reset all the task data for all of the reentrant functions. I don't care which one because only one function can be queued up at a single time. So we're going to take this, assign it to this pointer here, and just reset every single member of this reentrant data struct. Then in the tick core function, if we have finished all of our steps, we're going to call that function right here. And that's all we did. That's all we did, what we did previously, footnotes, and then what we did in this video. So if you want a longer explanation, go to this playlist. You are on this playlist. You can get the source code here, and you can email me here. Like, subscribe, and send money in the mail.